Rotary Bottle Washing Machine. The National Rotary Bottle Washing Machine is compact and highly efficient machine with elegant look. This multifunctional, multi-feature machine meets the GMP requirement of washing for glass, PET and plastic bottle. Machine is equipped with control panel and 2 numbers of tanks and pumps are mounted on portable stand for easy maintenance. The machine operates on the rotary principle with Geneva mechanism and requires manual loading and unloading of bottle. To recirculate hot detergent water and demineral water where the tank of hot detergent water is equipped with heater. The bottles are loaded inverted position in cup-shaped bottle holder on rotating platform where bottle will clean in series of operation like first wash with hot detergent, second wash with ordinary water to clean thoroughly detergent, third wash with demineral water and after wash 1 air sparing ensure to maximum dry of bottle. During this process, the nozzles does the external cleaning of the bottles. Now, clean bottles are manually transferred from rotary bottle washing machine to stainless steel scrambler and unscrambler, which is familiar as turntable. This is built on SS square frame, solid guide rail and production gearbox for jerkless and noiseless performance. Turntable is useful to ensure total synchronization and uniform flow of container to suit different machines and purpose in automatic liquid line.